In this video, we're going to talk about how to find California inmates or just inmate information, previous information, current information, all about jail and prison inmates in California. So, and all the resources you have available to you, different options. So to get started, come to californiapublicrecords.org or I'll drop a link in the description. You can also click on that. On the front page here, you have lots of databases that the public has at their disposal to search records. You might be able to locate what you need on here, but we've also created specific pages towards the most sought after records. So if you click on other records, you have quite a few different categories to choose from background checks to property records. I'm going to go ahead and just select inmate search. And what you have is you're typically looking at two different databases. You have your California Department of Corrections inmate search, and that would be prison records. Typically people that are serving for more serious crimes or more than 12 months are going to be sent to a prison. They're not going to spend time at the local county jail. So that's one database to look at, and this is a statewide search. And then you have your second option, which would be jail records in California. And so these would be at the like a local county sheriff's department. So we have the most populous counties here, and there's a database for people that were arrested. It's a lot of times the reason people go to jail is because sometimes they're just waiting to see a judge. They might be transported from a prison, and then they'll spend some time at a jail. And so you'll see a record show up there for something like that. Another reason could be maybe a reckless driving, and somebody might get arrested and just released right away. DWI, like there's lots of things where people just pretty much immediately or within a few days get released, and so those would be in the jail records. So we have the most populous counties here that you're able to access, and then of course the prison records for the more serious crimes. Your other option is to use the search box on top, and this gives you a little edge versus just using local county and state records, because if you are looking for inmate records, jail, prison records, criminal records, things like that, sometimes people move from state to state. So they might have a record, say in Washington or Oregon, and then they end up coming down to California. And if you're just searching the California market, or if you're just looking at the Los Angeles County area, you're not going to see those records there. So you want to this private database gives you like a big picture view. So it looks at the local records, at the state records, but it also goes to other states. It has many different databases from multiple states. And so it's instant, it's quick, and there's a lot of different types of information there that you might not even be considering, like maybe people that are related to the person. It's got a really cool algorithm where it puts all that together: cell phone numbers, previous addresses, and obviously public data information. So come on down to californiapublicrecords.org. I will drop a link in the description. You can click on that and look at all the options you have available to you to do a California inmate search. Thanks for listening.